Hello everyone, it's Nicky Cheeks. Welcome to my channel, and this is the video where I'm gonna go and get another project. And I think by the thumbnail or the title you already know that I found another 86. And right now I'm currently rented a truck to tow it back, and it was really far, but you know you can just miss such an opportunity. I found this post yesterday, and it was like posted like 2 hours ago at the time, and I immediately texted the owner and told him how big of a fan I am of these cars. And it turned out that he saw my video, the time lapse of the AE86 resurrection, which I call, and he was really excited to actually keep the car for me, and so that he would see what's the progress on the car when I'll be working on it. And so yeah, currently it was really far from me. So from Mississippi, where I live, it's 7-hour drive in Georgia. And oh wow, yeah, it's pretty rural area here, and I'm already 18 minutes away from where the car is. So in a minute I'll show you the car, so I'll see you right there. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already got the car towed back to my place, and I've been told that original owner got it sitting for way more than 10 years, just in the forest, somewhere under the trees, covered in dust and everything. And let's give it a good car wash. Alright, so now let's start with throwing all the trash out. You can see that it's really nice that the window was covered, that we have no cracks on the dash. It's mint new.
make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. More than power, never, ever, after work is over. Harder, better, faster, stronger. Working harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Working harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Working harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Working harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Working harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us
And at this point my camera died. Thank you all for watching this video. This is just the beginning of this project, of this build, so if you don't want to miss any updates on it, please subscribe and leave a like to this video. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, and I would be glad to hear your suggestions in the comments. But so far I plan on treating and fixing those rust spots and painting it black and white, just like the other Panda Turano. And let me know what you think about the engine. You know, it's so stock, and I plan to keep it as stock as possible. And considering that I can swap the engine anytime, I'm thinking about, for now, keeping this 4AC, really weak one, but I can't even imagine what it's like to drive 70 horsepower Toyota Corolla, and what was it like back in the 80s. And this engine, it does run, but it needs the fuel pump and everything else, the filters, the oil probably, but it does run with the starting fluid. I saw it personally. So let me start with the body work. I would love to hear your suggestions on the engine swaps, and since I'll be swapping the engine sometime, I'll need to replace the rear end. I'm not sure how the transmission shifts yet, so yeah, just let me know what you think about it in the comments, and I'll see you later. Bye.